National Vice President Kaseng National People's Party NPP Ubaderu unong alam badang sya jet thamai na penusla constituency uba Prestone Tynsong ula bojing kili Liang Pyrshah baningkong kini berpenyo aswa lai po angut ki MLA nang ta sakampat banla ban thausoka pa banthung Myntri Rangbah kajela du Khasi Ther Pyrshah ya United Democratic Party UDP ka sarkar senrop balajudan lang ha ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA uba Tynsong ulaong.
They want chief minister from Khasi India, but that is not the only criteria where you need to decide. Let us see the fractured mandate here in Khasi India. We have how many parties? We need to know that. And then some party they got 2 seats, some party got 2 seats, again some parties got 5, 4, like that. So I think that is not the way of thinking. But you need to also respect one thing. We are the single largest. NPP got 26. So why don't you respect the decision taken by the elected representative of the party? Because we already elected Conrad Sama to be the chief minister, again to become the chief minister for the next 5 years. How can you forcefully ask them to form the government just because we want chief minister from Khasi? I think that is totally wrong. That's what I'm saying. Certain, certain conditions are there where we need to respect and we need to also follow. Because without that, I think the democracy is gone.